Hi, everyone. Welcome to day 6 of our 7-day Quantum Ubuntu EFT tapping challenge. I'm Dr. Susan Thompson, and I just wanted to kind of let you know some of the reflections that I've been having. Since last December, I've been composing daily messages and posting on Instagram. You're welcome to follow those if you want. This morning's message was about choosing happiness and co-creating the day from that vibration, that point of vibration. And after I sent the message, I started thinking about the survivors of the hurricane just south of us. And this could be the beginning of survivor's guilt for me, for anybody else. And yet, it's also an opportunity to understand that we have the ability from our distance to raise the vibration when others are in survival mode. So that's really what this challenge has been about, among many other things, is for us to hold that higher vibration when others can't. And it makes me think of Tosha Silver's prayer, which is, I am you, you are me, we are one. And that's been also the assumption that we're making with these recordings, with these videos and the tapping, that we can impact so many more people individually and also as a collective. So we're going to start with that place where of suffering and devastation, because that's the truth of some people's reality. It might not be the truth right now of mine, but that's the purpose of this sequence, these 7 days, is to raise the vibration in general. So on the outside of the hand, even though I might be feeling this sense of devastation and suffering, more and more I remember I am so loved. Even though I might be feeling a sense of devastation and suffering, little by little, I love, honor, and accept myself anyway. Even though I might be feeling the suffering and devastation, more and more, I choose peace, compassion, and love. Top of the head, all this suffering. Eyebrow, all this devastation. Side of the eye, all this suffering and devastation. Ooh, I'm really feeling it. Under the eye, all this suffering. Under the nose, all this devastation. Above the chin, I allow myself to feel how I feel. Collarbone, I allow myself to feel how I feel. Under the arm, I'm allowed to feel how I feel. Top of the head, it's okay to feel how I feel. Eyebrow, it's important to start with how I feel. Side of the eye, because the truth is, under the eye, it's temporary too. Under the nose, it's okay to feel how I feel. Above the chin, it's important to honor how I feel. Collarbone, so I know where to start. Under the arm, I allow myself to feel how I feel. Top of the head, and I'm not forcing a change in how I feel. Eyebrow, so that I can choose peace, compassion, and love. Side of the eye, I start with how I feel. Under the eye, so I can choose peace. Under the nose. So I can choose compassion. Above the chin. And love. Collarbone. That's Leafa. She's a little bit feisty right now. So I choose being feisty. Under the arm. I choose to transmute. Top of the head, this force of fear. Eyebrow into the healing power. Side of the eye of kindness, compassion, and love. Under the eye, a part of my being. Under the nose, already knows. Above the chin, how to resolve, heal, collarbone, and safely discharge. Under the arm, all the suffering and devastation. Top of the head. So I ask that part of my being. Eyebrow to inform the rest of me now. Side of the eye with grace and ease. Under the eye. My mind, body, and spirit. Under the nose. Are receiving this information. Above the chin. Completely. Collarbone, I choose peace. Under the arm, I choose compassion. Top of the head, I choose love. Just take a deep breath and check in. Notice what's happening in your body. And know that we can radiate a different vibration once we've acknowledged what's really going on and then understand we have a choice. So until next time.